Hi, I'm Katie Finlay from the Harcourt Organic Farming Co-op. Having lived and farmed through the drought, getting the pipeline installed through Harcourt has made a massive difference to our lives really. It's given us water security and it means that we can continue to farm here into the future.
The Harcourt Modernisation project was completed in 2016. It's a 67-kilometre pressurised pipe network that supplies raw water to the growers and our rural customers in Harcourt Valley. It was put in to replace the open channel system, which is how we used to deliver water, but there were losses with evaporation and leakage.
Having the water security that we have now means that we can hold a smaller allocation, which is much more affordable for us to run the overall business. It means that we can offer our tenants, who are all the members of the co-op, we can offer them water security as well. And even if we go into another drought, we still know that we'll be able to keep offering them that water security. So it gives all of us a future here.
Pipelines are used to transfer fluids and gases from one location to another. Cullinan Water owns and manages about 4,000 kilometres of pipelines to transfer sewer and water across our networks. We service both rural and urban customers. We have built pipelines for the Goldfields Super Pipe. We've connected to the South West Lebanon pipeline that was built by the Grampians Wimmera Water, and have a program currently that we're rolling out across Bendigo to improve water security for our growing regions. There's many different materials that are used for pipelines, and each of those have different characteristics or specifications and benefits. There's also a number of different methodologies that we use to install our pipelines, and they can be broadly categorised into open trenching methods or trenchless trenching methods. We've got the most common trenchless method is horizontal directional drilling.
So using horizontal directional drilling under trees means that you can go right under them and have no impact on their root zone at all. And you just simply have no idea that there's anything happening under the ground there. When we're planning a pipeline, we'll go out and look at various alignments, and we'll get ecologists on board to check for flora and fauna and any habitat values along the alignments, so we take that into account. And then when we're designing the pipeline, we use the three-step approach of avoid, minimise and offset our impacts to native veg, so it's very important to us that we do the minimal amount of impact on existing vegetation.
We really appreciate the huge amount of hard work that Cullinan Water put in to make sure that we could get this pipeline in our town and in our district. Because without the pipeline, we wouldn't have an orchard industry in this town at all anymore.